Hey everyone, Claire here, and I know I haven't done a video for ages, but I've had two trade shows this year and they all come in February. My last one starts on Sunday and I'm crazy prepping and it's just been absolutely mental. So I'm just here to do a quick video, and after the trade show I will be doing a big update and have a vlog about what's happening and what I'm doing and what I'm going to do with my channel. So today I just got a surprise at home from my lovely other half, and as you can see it is a Lush box. And I know it's for me because he doesn't use Lush and it's Valentine's and he always gets me a Valentine's Lush box. So let's get this opened and see what we've got. If I can get it opened, because the tape is apparently amazing. Oh, I see. There we go. That bit pulls out. Always good packaging with Lush, even though it's cardboard and paper. Okay, so here we go. We've got the receipt, which I'm not going to look at. I'm going to give that to him. And let's see which one we've got. Ooh. Try and get it out without all of the little bits going everywhere. Because that's all I need to be cleaning up right now is a box full of them things, which are biodegradable. Oh, it smells so good. Actually, I'll put that in the box. And then I have no idea which one this is. He has got me the Love box, and I'm looking at my hair and this side is fine, but this side has got this whole thing going on. I didn't have time to go to my usual hairdresser, and like an idiot I decided I would go to a local one, which was half the price, and absolutely awful. As you can see, my hair is, I don't know what she's done, but it's a mess. So let's get this bad boy opened, and I'm just unknotting the ribbon. Beautiful purple ribbon. So we've got this really cool paper, and it's like cherries, heart-shaped cherries and hearts and leaves. Really love the paper, and hopefully I will not rip it trying to get the tape off. I do really like the paper from Lush. It's really good quality, but I wish they would use the kind of tape that comes off easier and doesn't rip your paper. Okay, and we've got a red box inside. So I just got the last label. So there's the pen. Really pretty. Really like it. Don't know why my light is blue. It keeps going blue. I'll have to check the white balance. Okay, so we have a red box, and inside we've got more of big peanutty things. Okay, let's tip some out so we can see. Okay, Is that the info card? Yes, it is. So we've got the Kiss lip scrub, and this, oh god, that smells divine. It's got little hearts in it. You see the little hearts? That's so nice. Oh, it smells amazing. Doesn't say what scent it is, it just says the Kiss. Oh, it smells so good. And it doesn't say anything on here, so the next item is Cherish, spelled cherryish, and that is a body scrub bar. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, really looking forward to using that one, and it is a scrub, so that will help with my eczema. And it's got cocoa butter, which also helps, shea butter, dried cherries, and ground cherry stones. So the ground cherry stones is the scrub part. I don't know if you've been following, but there's micro beads, which is little plastic beads, have actually been banned now from use in cosmetics. And quite a lot of the scrubs that you would get would be full of little plastic beads, and they're a real big polluter. So that's good news. So the next item, we've got a Melt My Heart massage bar. This smells like the yuzu and cocoa a little bit. You know the yuzu and cocoa body wash? It smells a bit like that. Let's see what's in it. Rose petals, cypress oil, orange flower. It doesn't say it's got any yuzu in it, but it definitely smells like the yuzu and cocoa body wash. It's really nice. Looking forward to trying that one. I do like the massage bars. You basically rub them in your hands to release it, warm it up and release some of the oils, and then you can actually do it on yourself, and it's really nice on your back, because if you do it and even just rub the massage oil on your skin, you can smell it while you're asleep, and it's really relaxing. I do that quite a lot with one of the others. I've forgotten the name of it. It's in a heart shape. And the last item is Tender is the Night Shower Cream. So it's basically like soap. Shower cream, but in a soap kind of bottle. Never used any of these before. Oh, it smells lovely. It's instantly jasmine. Yeah, jasmine flower, lang lang, shea butter, vanilla. Oh, that's so nice. So nice. I should definitely be using that one tomorrow, and it's starting to snow again. Ooh, they are some big flakes. Hope it goes before I have to go drive down to Birmingham, that's for sure. Don't like driving to Birmingham in snow. It's a long way. Anyway, so that is the love box. So we've got a shower cream, a massage bar, a body scrub bar, and this, which I am going to go to the bathroom and use right now. And I would do it on camera, but I've got soap on my hand, so I don't really want to do that right now because I don't want a mouthful of soap. So hopefully I will be back very soon, less than a week, and I will have a vlog and an update on everything that is happening in my life. And the monetization issue I am actually not affected by. I was quite surprised by that, because since they started messing with the algorithm, my channel has been going down, 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 and I thought that I would have lost the monetization, but quite surprisingly I haven't. But my friend Sarah is really struggling. She needs about 19 hours of watch time to keep hers. And if you're into card making, she actually has an amazing card making channel. She's neglected her channel a bit at the moment because she's got a horse and it's really sick, and she's having to take it to a specialist vet. So losing her monetization, even though we're very low end on the monetization, we don't actually get that much, but every penny counts when you've got £4,000-5,000 in vet bills just for one x-ray. So if you are feeling so inclined, please visit my friend Sarah's channel, and I will link it down below. She is 3 dogs and 2 kids. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!